What's up, everyone? Welcome to Program Your Remote. Today I'm going to do a quick video and show you how to reset the oil life on a 2022 Hyundai Palisade. Like I said, I'm going to be working on a 22 Palisade in the video, but it will be the same on a couple different years. So after an oil change, you'll want to reset the oil life. How we're going to do that is we'll need the vehicle on or running. If we take a look at the right-hand side of the steering wheel over here, we're going to press this menu button. And depending on what screen you're starting from, you'll just need to press it until you have the settings menu highlighted. Once we're on this screen, we're going to use this button right here to scroll down. And we're going to scroll down until we have service interval highlighted. Once service interval is highlighted, we're going to press that button in for OK. And then once we're on this screen, you'll be able to adjust all the intervals for the oil change. So you can just turn it off if maybe you just use the sticker on your windshield to keep track. If that's the case, if you want to turn it off, once you have the enable highlighted, you can press OK. I'm going to press OK again to enable it. Come down here, and if you go into that screen, you can adjust the mileage and the time. And then finally, if we go to reset and we have reset highlighted, we'll press OK. And it's just asking, do we want to reset the time and distance? And when yes is highlighted, we'll press OK again. And then it will be reset. So pretty simple. If you have any questions, please let me know. If you could take a second to like and subscribe, it helps us out, and I'd appreciate it. Thank you.